What's up? It's the Animal Sisters, and today I'm going to show you how to download on your Mac Among Us. So it doesn't come on Mac, so I'm just going to show you how to do it, and it's real simple, real easy, no viruses, no nothing. So first what you want to do is you want to go down to your web browser. I use Google Chrome. You can use whatever, Safari, but for me Google Chrome gives me the best results. So as you can see right here, it says Among Us. I'm going to put the link down below in the description. We do not press download Among Us on PC, but we press download BlueStacks. So we can press that, and right here it'll show us right here. It says it's about to take like 4 to 5 minutes to download. So let's go just wait. Okay, so now my BlueStacks is done downloading. So what we need to do is we need to double click on it. So it says opening BlueStacks. So we gotta wait for it to load. Alright, as you can see, it is almost done. So it's just checking volumes, finishing up everything. So now, right here, you see BlueStacks Installer. So what we're gonna do is we just double click on it and then it downloads. So we don't need Google Chrome anymore. Okay, it's done verifying. So as you can see, it's jumping up and down, and while my thing's doing that, I'm going to show you something real quick. Let me just quit out of Google Chrome. You go to the little apple, go to System Preferences, and then you go to Security and Privacy. But since I already had this app before, I don't need to do this. You go to General, and then something here would say allow BlueStacks to go onto your computer. You would press the lock, put your password, and then you would press allow, because it does not have any viruses, anything like that, because I've had the BlueStacks installer for a while. No viruses, no nothing on my computer. So as we wait for this to load, we'll just skip until we get there. Okay, so it finally opened up. So now we just have to wait. As you can see on this screen right here, it's loading. It's taking some time, but it'll load pretty quickly. So then here we go. So we let it open. Okay, and once it's done loading, this should pop up, and then My Apps is automatically gonna pop up as well. It's basically like you're on an Android, but on your computer. Like you can go to the Play Store and download any games that you play on your phone onto the computer. I think you can even play Minecraft on here, but I'm not sure if you can join other people. So you guys can try that out and you can tell me. So it's like everything like a phone. You can search on Google Chrome, and as you can see right here, it says Among Us. So if we just double click on that, it'll just say your controls. You can change it if you want to. Press OK. I'm gonna go into full screen mode right now, and we're basically playing Among Us on our computer. It's pretty cool, isn't it? And you can even join your friends that play on the phone. If they even play on the computer, you can join them. Let's go just do a random game, like a random public game. See, you can join all these people. Like boom, I can join these people right here. I just joined them, like that. Very easy. It won't let me put yellow for some reason. And you can change your name on here if you want to leave the game. Just press leave game, and look, you just change your name here, type like that. And that's how you get Among Us on your Mac Apple computer.